Welcome back to 99 Reviews. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can download iOS 18 Developer Beta on your iPhone. So let's start the video. First, you have to open Safari browser and here search beta.apple.com. This website will open. Now scroll down and tap on Sign Up. iPhone will ask for Face ID. Provide your Face ID. Here is the agreement. Scroll down and agree to the terms and condition. Then click on Enroll your iOS device. Then tap on Open Beta Updates. And now beta updates are activated on your iPhone, but there is a second step to activate iOS 18 Developer Beta. For this, you have to go to Safari browser again. Here search developer.apple.com. This WWDC 2024 page appears on your iPhone with some information. You have to tap on two lines at the right top corner, then tap on Account, scroll down this page and agree to terms and conditions, and at the end, tap on Submit. Now your work is done and iOS 18 Beta Developer is ready to download on your device. You have required storage of about 6 to 7 gigabytes. It may varies in your case. So by this way, you can easily download iOS 18 Beta without computer in your iPhone. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 99 Reviews and I will see you in the next one.